back to my channel. I am sick with the flu at the minute, but I had this come through and I had to unbox it on camera for you guys. This is a PR package from Xobeauty. I am so fucking excited. So, I'm really, really excited. I reached out to them and I was like, do you guys do any PR? And they were like, yeah, do some videos on these. And I'm like, I'm so excited. So I'm excited to see what's in here. I don't know what's in here. I said some things that I might have liked and I'm really, really excited. I have really respected Shane XO. That's why I created my channel, was because of Shane XO, Xobeauty. I've always supported. I love all their products. I just love it. I love how it's New Zealand. It's just, I love how Shannon is from New Zealand, and I can't even speak. I can't even think. I'm so excited. I'm so honored to have this, and I'm so excited to unbox it. And here's my unboxing experience with you guys on camera. Look! Oh my gosh! Look at this paper. It's so sweet. It's so cute. The packaging has really had a glow up since it first kind of came out as well. Let's open it up. Oh my god, there's so much in here. Oh my gosh. So the new One and Only collection. One and Only eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need to like put it here and then put the stuff like here. So the One and Only palette. And then we have, this is the Diamond Baby highlighter palette. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Like, just the packaging of these alone is just so aesthetic and so pretty. Let's put you down here. All right, and then we have the new, these are the full volume lashes. So these ones are kind of like eyelash extensions. Look at these. These are stunning. So we've got a few pairs of these. This one is Enchant. Then we have the color Captivate. And if you guys want individual videos on these, you better believe that these are coming. Look at these lashes. They're so pretty. They're actually so gorgeous. Like, what the hell? Oh my god, I can't even... There's the other one. Look at these. These ones are nice. So this is shade Adore. Not a shade Adore. Style Adore. And then we have... What are these here? These are the lip veils. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have lip veils here. 3 lip veils. So these are, what are these? These are, I think these are the really shiny lip glosses. Oops. The really shiny lip glosses. So I have 3 shades. So I've got shade Roses, Kisses, and Diamonds. Oh my god, these are so cute. And then we have 3 more sets of lashes. So these are the Faux Minks lashes. This is the lash Baby Girl. This is so sweet. And then this one here, just in Troublemaker. Look at them. They're so gorgeous. I've always wanted to try these lashes too. And they're the one lash that I haven't tried. These are Flutter. Then we have, these must be all the eye halos. I'm pretty sure this is everything that's left in here. But these are all the eye halos. Like, look how freaking cool these are. These are eyeshadows in liquid form. I'm so excited. I need to get all the packaging off these so I can actually do some swatches for you in this video. Look. Alright, we need to get all the packaging off because that is it. So I need to get all the packaging off so I can show you guys. Look how gorgeous these are. These are so pretty. Look at them. Oh my god. Look how pretty the packaging is on these lip veils. Oh my god. Look, and it's swatched on my hand too. Oh my god. I'm just unpackaging them and this looks stunning. I need to swatch this like oh my god, you guys are not ready. Look. Oh my gosh, what is that? It's so stunning. Like, these are so gorgeous. Like, what the fuck? And here we can see all 4 of these shades here. And the packaging is just so pretty with these. I'm in love. Like, oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Thank you so much, Xobeauty. I'm absolutely in love. I cannot wait to do a bunch of videos with these. I feel so lucky and so blessed. What do you guys think? What do you guys want to see first? Let me know in the comments down below. Until we see each other again. See you on the next one. Bye.